Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Odenville local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking for a cheap Odenville moving company you can depend on? 3 Movers fits the bill with affordable local and long-distance moving services. Our team of professional movers knows how to make your move easier, no matter what you're moving. We can move your home, business, apartment, dorm room, piano, or anything else. We provide you with the right options for your long-distance move, including packing services. Save a ton of time by letting us handle the packing and the unpacking. Moving supplies. Eliminate the worry with fragile items breaking by choosing our high-quality moving supplies. An on-time move. Our movers will show up at the scheduled time to ensure you don't have to worry about untimely delays. Upfront pricing. A moving quote from us gives you the price you need to set your budget. Licensed and insured. Your items are all well protected when you choose to move with us. Finding the right moving company for your long-distance move should be easy. When you hire us, you get a team ready to take the stress out of your relocation. Our team makes moving simple by streamlining the entire process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Odenville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.